Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the 4 metallic codes that are good for Dress to Impress, like the color codes for it. So the first one will be this. Just ignore the color that I have on currently. It's just for an Anastasia dress. I just copied it. It is the gold color, which is B08955. I will put it all in the description box down below. Next is we have the silver one, which is, I keep forgetting to show you guys the color code. This one, C9CBCE. Very pretty. I love this toggle on this dress, by the way. Anyways, we have the next one, which is kind of a bronze one. Very pretty bronze as well. Oh my god, sorry, I keep clicking that. And then lastly, we have this rose gold. Again, I'm going to put all of the color codes in the description box down below so you guys can just copy and paste it and save it to your color palette. Oh. But yeah, that is it. So pretty. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Let me know your favorite color codes down below as well. That is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.